Hello, my friend. I am the end-of-life care robot. You are not alone.
This machine is designed to sort of reveal what we lack as human beings, like when you're dying, but there's lack of human intimacy. Why we have such a strong mental projection towards an object. Go team. Go team. Go team. For some, they might see that as the most important part of their life. But for some, it could be just like, no, it's just like, it's over, it's just there. If you have a terrible family and they don't care about you, so maybe robot's better replacement. Putting faces on the robot is sort of like putting a mask onto a person, like masking its identity. So what I'm trying to do is try to reveal the honesty and the build of the robot.
We hope you will have a pleasant afterlife. Goodbye, my friend.